Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for being with me in this video. Today we are going to discuss in detail the three-step process that I normally use whenever it comes to trading. Okay, so what basically is multiple time frame analysis? Well, it's just simply the process of going through a higher time frame and then scaling down to the lower time frames to look for an entry. So, ladies and gentlemen, what's the point in all of this? Well, I have mentioned it before. Our first time frame, which will be the 4-hour time frame, is going to be based on structure. So when we are looking at this time frame is ideally going to give you a directional bias in the market. So, is the market pushing to the upside, or is the market structure pushing to the downside, or is the market structure moving sideways? The next time frame that you are going to use is what we call a behavior time frame. So this time frame is going to give you a clear direction of what the market is actually doing. Is the market creating lots of weak rejections? Is the market breaking any structures? Is the market pulling back to create higher lows or lower highs? Those kinds of questions are the ones which will get answers on the 1-hour time frame. The next time frame that we are going to look at is our final time frame, which will be our entry time frame. If the market is on a downtrend, then on this time frame you are going to take short positions. If the market is on an uptrend, then on this time frame you are going to look for long positions only, and that's it. So let's go through it. Let's now create the charts and let's quickly move up. Okay, so we are back at the charts. As you can see, for this example, we are going to be looking at Volatility 50 index, and we are going to start with our first time frame. The first time frame that we are going to be using here is the 4-hour time frame. Now, guys and girls, this is my own personal opinion. This is my favorite time frame to trade on because I just love what this structure does, or what the 4H does in terms of structure. For me, it's just a balance between not having to wait too long and not having to feel like I'm rushing into trades by using the hourly or the 50 minutes time frame. It just gives me a good balance for the week, I can say, as an intraday trader or as a day trader. So let's look at this market structure. First things first, what do we see here? Is there a clear directional bias on this market? Now, the majority of you will be looking at this and your eyes will be focused on everything that's happening here. And that's a very bad behavior. So guys and girls, don't do that. What you should be doing as a day trader is you have to be focusing on what's happening over here only. You don't have to care what's happening to the left. You're not going to see me bring over support and resistance. I'm not going to start plotting levels here like this, and trying to figure out where the price is going to respect, or where the price is going to go, or what the price is going to do when it gets to those levels. I mean, just look at the screens right now. It's just absolutely pants. It's so complicated, and it's where most of the bad decisions will come out of these unclean charts. So I'm not going to be doing this. Let me delete all of them. I'm not going to be doing this. As an intraday trader, I want to trade what's happening in the market today and the market's behavior, and that's it. Having said all of that, so what is my directional bias? Because that's what I need initially. What is my direction bias? Well, at the moment, this is a live market. There's no replay mode on volatility on the Reef Saver. Okay, so what's my directional bias currently? Well, at the moment, I don't have a directional bias, as I can't see for sure what the market is doing because the market right now is just ranging, moving sideways. There is no clear direction right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark my high, just so that you know that's where the price is respecting or did respect. Not that I'm looking for sell entries, guys and girls. Not that I'm looking for sell entries right here. It's just where the price is respecting. I'm not going to mark my low. Looking at how the structure is moved, I can see the majority of weak rejections have been in and around these levels right here. So what is the plan now? Noticing all of those, what is the plan now? Well, the plan is to wait for a clear directional bias, period. The market is ranging, not a good market to be in. The plan is always to wait for a clear directional bias. I want to see if the market will break above to indicate momentum pushing to the upside, or looking for the price to break the structural lows to indicate momentum to the downside. Up to until now, we don't know that, since the market has not done any of those. So let's now place the next candle. So the market pushes to the downside right here. Now this market will be very strong bearish for us day traders. Now, do we have a break of this low yet? Well, we don't have a break of this low yet. What we are looking for the market to do is to create a clear identifier mark of breaking and closing below this structure. Keywords: breaking and closing below this structure. We are talking a clear identifier mark here. So we want to see price breaking strongly and closing below this structure for us to be bearish on this market today as intraday traders. So today, guys and girls, our directional bias is sideways. Not a very good day for day trader to trade this market. So guys and girls, what should we do next? The market is just moving sideways today. What should we do? Should we try and force trades just because we are bored? Just tell me what you are going to do in the comment section. But here is how I'm going to do today. I'm going to close my charts and go to the gym. Simple. I hope that you have enjoyed today's video, and I hope that you have learned the lesson that not every day is a trading day. Learn to take a break. Now do me this one favor. Please smash that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't, and turn the notifications. And until next time, take care, you and your trading capital. Bye bye.